All right, I hope this works, and I hope that you can't hear my 1-year-old screaming bloody murder in the background because he has to go to sleep. My advice at this moment is not to have 1-year-olds. Just get them when they're 3 somehow. Um, Unbelievable. What a day. Been at school, up there at 6:40. That was 15 hours ago. Just got home. All right. This is just more sample problems like I gave you today that would be similar to those in the test. So number 1, I asked you on the test if it was a property of liquids. This one happens to be a property of solid. Question, some other properties of your states of matter. Solids have a definite shape and are not appreciably compressible. So number 1 is D. We just need to make sure that we understand the properties. Solids always are a shape. Okay? They don't have to be a specific shape. If I find something solid, it is in a specific structure that is defined. All right, and I can't really smash very many solids. There's some things that we consider solid that can be mashed, like a sponge, but we're not really mashing the solid. We're emptying, or we're squishing the space in between into smaller spaces. Most of what I say is probably not going to make sense tonight, but I hope this is somewhat helpful. I'm tired. All right, number 2, properties of an element. We need to know the properties of elements, compounds, and mixtures. Remember, an element cannot be separated into anything else by ordinary chemical means. So we would say that that is A, just right there. And now I've got my 7-year-old that won't sleep either. Hold on. All right, so make sure you understand the properties of compounds, elements, and mixtures. This is so late, it's useless to you. I'm sorry. Number 3, the number 0.00430 has how many sig figs? We have a decimal, we draw an arrow from left to right till we hit a non-zero, and we count everything after. So it has 3 significant figures. All right, so that was easy. All right, number 4. What is the physical state in which matter has no specific shape but does have a specific volume? All right, so it's occupying a shape, but it does not have a specific volume. All right, what this is going to be, it's a liquid, because a liquid will fill its container, but as soon as its container shape changes, so will the shape of the liquid. All right, but no matter how I change the shape of its container, the volume is always the same. So we would say that's a liquid. Just another question that asks to make sure you know the properties of solid, liquid, and gases. All right, we want something that is easily, that's the key here, separated into its components by simple techniques such as filtering and decanting. All right, so these are physical. So this must be some sort of mixture. All right, so we can get rid of elements and compounds. In solution, it is a mixture, but it's a mixture that's liquid. All right, a solution is defined in that it carries the particles in it suspended in solution in the liquid, so it would go through filter paper. And so we're left here with homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Well, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. So it's heterogeneous mixture. Things that are not the same, but they are mixed together. So we're going to say B. All right, now, number 6. The volume of a regular cylinder is V equals pi r squared h. This is a really complicated equation. I don't know why I picked this one. I did it while I was taking minutes in my meeting I was just in, so who knows. We're going to use this for pi. All right, the volume is 2.34 equals 3.1416. We're going to take our r squared. All right, it is 2.34. I'm going to run out of time. All right, our h is 19.91. All right, so I'm sorry, this wasn't 2.34. This is what we're going to solve for. We're going to plug that in and report it correctly and significantly.